Hi!
Welcome to our video about the ultimate grounding sheet. Over the next few minutes, you'll learn how this amazing grounding sheet can help ground your body and promote your health. Let's dive deeper into the world of grounding sheets. A grounding sheet is a special bed sheet woven with conductive silver threads. These silver threads allow electric charges to flow out of the body and into the ground. Let's take a closer look at how this works. Well, the human body is electrically charged, and in everyday life, excess electric charges often accumulate. The grounding sheet efficiently discharges these charges and helps ground your body. By making contact with the earth, you can neutralize electric tensions and regain your inner balance. The benefits of grounding are diverse and impressive. Here are some of the most important ones. Improved sleep. Many people report deeper and more restful sleep when lying on a grounding sheet. This is because stress hormones are reduced and the sleep cycle normalizes. Reduced inflammation. Grounding can help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be helpful for many chronic health issues. Pain relief. Some people experience a reduction in pain and discomfort, especially with chronic pain and arthritis. Stress reduction. Grounding can help reduce stress and anxiety, increasing your overall well-being. Using the grounding sheet is incredibly simple. Just place it on your mattress like a regular sheet. Make sure it's properly connected to the grounding cable and that this cable is plugged into a grounded outlet. But that's not all. Our grounding sheet is not only health promoting, but also easy to clean. You can wash the grounding sheet in the washing machine at up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. And it can even be ironed. Your well-being is important to us, and we know it's important to you too. Which is why we've developed this grounding sheet to provide you with effective grounding for your body.
Are you tired of waking up feeling like you never slept at all? It's time to stop the madness and take control of your sleep. Imagine a world where you wake up refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to conquer the day. Well, that world is within your grasp, and it all starts with the grounding sheet. Crafted with silver-infused cotton, our grounding sheet not only cradles you in comfort, but also connects you to the Earth's natural energy. It's like sleeping on a cloud while Mother Nature gives you a revitalizing hug. You won't believe the transformation. Say goodbye to groggy mornings and hello to boundless energy. It's time to live life to the fullest. Don't let another night of restless sleep hold you back. Make the change today. But don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our happy customers have to say.
The earthing half sheet really helps me to fall asleep.
Great for night shift workers.
I can say that I slept very nicely.
My daughter Katie slept really well, went to sleep pretty fast, had a restful night.
Transform your sleep. Transform your life. Because the best version of you starts with a good night's sleep.